Hey, show these niggas where the fuck you from. Southside Lynn Haven, man. Stand the fuck up, nigga. Let's get it, shawty.
If not every other day, then every weekend I'm copping. Picture me working a job, just sweeping and mopping. I'm a hustler, being broke ain't even an option. Clumsy with the cocaine, you should see how I drop it. I know a fiend when I see him, give him the head nod. Powder in the Pyrex look like eggnog. Connect old school, cause every time he see me, I take out my scale right, he think it's a CD. Kingpins of my city, I done broke bread with them. In a few smitties, I done seen fiends dead in them. From dime bitches and Chevys, I got head in them. Taking pictures in the club, I done seen feds in them. Late nights in them trenches, I won't scared in them. I done cried, I done sweat, and I done bled in them. I'm a chicken over them pots, I drop eggs in them. Drop eggs in them, man, you heard what I said, nigga. COA, pass it around. No cash over ass, that's how it's going down.
Hey, look, that's crazy, my nigga. That's how